Okay. Oh man. I need to make a better mask. Alright, now it's seriously time to do the unboxing. This is a Brother LB5000S. It's the Star Wars edition. This one has 3 different stickers, I guess you can put on the front. We'll find out when we get inside. This is an embroidery machine. It can also be used as a regular sewing machine. And it is identical to the SE600. So if you want to save yourself $150-ish, you can buy the non-Star Wars version, and that's the SE600. And then there's also a Marvel version, so that would be the LB5000M. So S would be for Star Wars, M would be for Marvel. So let's see what we got in the box. All right, we got a little, looks like the cover for the sewing machine. So you can put it on there. We'll just put that aside. Some of the bits and bobs you get for inside the sewing machine. Little kit there, comes with little scissors, little needle threader, all kinds of neat stuff, tools. All right, and then here's your embroidery right there. Your, what do they call that, the loop? The hoop, embroidery hoop, power cord, pedal. Nothing too crazy about the pedal. Again, this is going to be pretty much a Brother sewing machine, embroidery machine. So there won't be too many things crazy except for the stickers we put on the outside of it. Comes with a nice hefty manual. Because it's an embroidery machine, there's probably a lot of this that deals with doing the embroidery. There's no software in there. I don't get a CD, but I do get some manuals. So quick reference guide, embroidery design guide, all the parts, operation manual, and the manual de instructions, or instrucciones. This, is there anything inside of here? There is nothing. All right. And here's another bag. So Brother has the bag that goes on the inside. So there's presser feet, various other bits and bobs. Oh, they give me a couple of already wound bobbins. 3 white bobbins already wound. Well, that's nice of them. Thanks, Brother. All right, you want to look in here, don't you? You want to see it? Let's take a look inside the box, see what we've got. Because I know I was excited. Here we are looking inside. There's the sewing machine. And then you've got the embroidery table right there. All right, exciting. It's time to get rid of this box and look at a sewing machine. This looks like that is what we're paying, $150-ish, somewhere between 120 to 180, depending on what prices you're looking at, is the difference between this and the SE600. Stickers. So they've got some heft to them. They're plastic. You can definitely feel that there's a thickness to them. And you get to choose. All I ever wanted was the Galaxy with Darth Vader. May the Force be with you, Princess Leia. And then you've got the droid, R2-D2 down there, along with Star Wars. So they don't even put the Star Wars on there for you. It's definitely in the Brother family. Controls all look very similar to Brother controls. Yep, you got a manual foot release. Comes with a needle installed. You've got for your thread there, one of those for your spool of thread. And oh yeah, look, thank you. Thank you. Okay, this one actually comes with a box. So that's nice. So my little baggie of parts can fit in there. And don't forget, there's also the other bag of goodies, tools, and then some needles, and some other things. So that can also go in there. Okay, this one uses the side needle threader on the side, which is kind of nice. And since I had that off, okay, I need to pull this entirely off in order to get that out. This, by the way, is how you would get your arm on for the embroidery machine. You got to pull this thing completely out. And all kinds of stickers with instructions on there. Tell me how to operate my machine. Another bobbin actually installed in the machine, except it's not wound for me. So here's another look at the box. I like it when there's a sealable box, and when you pull this off, it stays sealed. So you can actually use this and keep your stuff in there. It is a useful piece. Okay, you want to right up, there we go. You gotta actually go from the front. You can't bring it in the side apparently. So you gotta go from the front, push it in, and it's in. Back here, so I've had customers call me and they've had problems where their fabric wouldn't feed, and that's because the switch got moved. This lowers your feed dogs in case you're doing an operation where you don't want your feed dogs, you don't want the fabric to feed. So there's darning of clothing, you could use that, or for whatever else you want to do. But that is up, so feed dogs will operate. And that's it. So they start you out on 4 for your tension. Tension goes from 0 to 9. So 4 is right in the middle of that. So they give you a range of 2 to 6 in the middle there, and then 4 is right in the middle of that range. Packaging was good. So first thing we're going to do here, now that we've unboxed our machine, is we're going to get it set up and working. So we're going to sew a little bit with it. And then in the next video, we're going to do the whole tear down and taking a look at what's inside and review from a mechanical standpoint of this sewing machine. So I hope you stay tuned for that. But for right now, we're going to put this together and start sewing with it. Okay, so we just started up the machine. Watching go through like a screensaver type thing. Is it a touchscreen? Yes. Answer is yes, it is a touchscreen. I didn't even know that before doing this. Okay, looks like we are ready to sew a straight line. So let's see what we've got. Can you tell I didn't really do research on this other than the fact that it's got Star Wars on it? Well, it has stickers so I can put Star Wars on it. Okay. Like I said, manual presser foot release. I got a green light. I think that means I can sew. Let's try it. Okay. Going all right. That's good. That's between 1 to 2 arrows. Let's go up to 3 arrows. That's not a bad speed. Let's see how we do in reverse. Okay, same speed in reverse. I like that. We've had issues with machines that do a slower speed in reverse. And you can see whatever this is set at, it's going to do that same speed in reverse. So that's not bad. Okay, now that I've finished, I want to cut my thread. So it has an automatic cutter, which is pretty nice. And then I pull out and see what I've got. If you look at the back side, I see a lot of blue, a little tiny bit of white over here. I've got some puckering going on. Might have to play with some settings on this as far as tension is concerned. So let's try 4 layers of fabric. See what kind of difference we get there. I don't like going that slow, so we'll go in the middle there. And we'll give this one a little go. Okay, and a cut. Leaves the needle up. And now when I look at that one, tension's looking better. So it's set for, you know, a couple layers of fabric, which is about what you'd expect. So pretty nice machine. I actually like how smooth it is. This machine operates very smooth. And we will get more into how this machine operates and how it is built. Again, like I said on the next video, I will probably also put the stickers on before the next video because I can't have a Star Wars sewing machine without the Star Wars stickers. Just got to figure out which ones I like better. And then apparently I'll have extra stickers. Maybe it'll go up behind my workbench. I don't know. Am I allowed to do that on YouTube and show those copyrighted material to everybody? I have no idea. But I do like this so far. I have not made a bobbin on this machine. I've just sewn on it just to see how it sews. And I probably a little bit later will do some embroidery as well. But for right now, that's it. That's your unboxing. Thanks for watching the Sewing Machine Repair Guy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, so if you don't want to spend the extra $150, however much it is, then get yourself the SE600. This one is the LB5000S from Brother, and there's also the LB5000M, which is the Marvel version. I really enjoyed doing this video today. I like getting new things and trying them out, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. It's something new that I haven't done before, so let me know what you think. Thank you very much.